So here we are at Meteor Crater National Monument. Landmark?
I think landmark.
Well, whatever. Outside of Winslow, Arizona. It's like between Winslow and Flagstaff. So we're going to go see a big hole in the ground. This is more his thing than mine, but I mean, just kind of coming in and seeing where it looks like the rim of it is. It looks like it's going to be really big, so that might be pretty cool. So, can you see that mountain back there? Look at that beautiful mountain back there. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, so I was going to say, let me turn this around. This is the front of the building. I guess the tourist information center probably, and where you pay. But I thought this was kind of neat that they have a little pet area. So that's pretty cool. And looks like a little fenced off area there, so you can take your pets and let them maybe walk and get a little bit of exercise. This upper level parking is all for cars, small vehicles, and we're down there in the lower level with all the RVs. So they do have RV parking, if you were wondering. I had looked around and never could find for sure. Ooh, it's windy. All right, so we're gonna go in and check things out. Okay, so that was $44 for 2 people to get in. This better be a really big hole. I'm just saying. And you have the choice of either going up the stairs to the second level, or they do have an elevator that you can take. We chose to, I guess, take the tough way. And there's more stairs. And more stairs. Man, it is super windy out here. I don't know if it's like this all the time, but wow, this is really windy. And here's a little closer look to Meteor Crater. Can you see him?
Yeah. If you will see him down here.
Should be able to do that with the...
It's kind of just the entrance.
I don't think you can see it with the... Gosh, it's windy.
Oh, yo, these are actually really cool. Hey, look at this one. We can see an action too. Stop jumping. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh my god.
So this is like the family of the people who owned the land, I'm assuming.
They kind of found it.
We should have watched the video.
No se va a mover. No se va a acomodar. Relax, ven, look.
That a meteor impact had formed Meteor Crater. His work also jumpstarted the study of Crater's hole and inspired a closer look at the role of collision and impact on Earth and throughout the solar system.
Force winds through 175 million tons of material in all directions. The shock of impact melted most of the meteor and spread it with the large plume of debris.
Over here, you guys, it says that diamonds were discovered in canyons. You have little meteorites. Do you guys know how diamonds are made?
It doesn't sound like a nuclear explosion. Sizes.
Here. I think you touch it.
So it's not like that, they want you to touch it. This one's pretty interesting. Here. Where's that?
Thanks for coming along with us on our visit to the Meteor Crater. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Be sure to give our video a big thumbs up, and you're more than welcome to share any of our videos. And we hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.